Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Sam, founder of In-House Cloud. I'm just going to be demoing out a new feature on In-House Cloud App Builder. This feature is highly demanded by a few of our customers. I know at least a couple of them that have demanded this feature. It's a CSV uploader, right? The primary use cases I hear of are, people want to be able to upload data into like a database or any of your systems using a CSV file. And another use case is that people want to be able to perhaps begin some type of automation or some type of log running process using a CSV file. All right. So with that being said, let's jump into it. I'm just going to go into the Elements tab. And if I scroll down to the code section, I'll see the CSV to JSON elements. All I need to do is just drag it onto the page. It looks like a regular file uploader because it is a regular file uploader. I'm going to select this. We're just going to make some couple style changes just so you can see it clearly. 50%, center it on the page. Go, put some margin up top. There you have it. So while I have it selected, I'm just going to jump into the element settings. And as you can see, it just has your regular form attributes that you would expect for a file uploader. And the only thing here you need to change perhaps is the app data field. So this is the field in the app data that your JSON is going to be stored at. So I'm going to call this converted data. So it's going to be stored in my app data in a field called converted data. And then from there, I can do whatever I want. All right, so I am going to take a peep into app data just to prove that there is actually no converted data lying in wait. Gonna select a CSV file, and that's it. It's been uploaded. That's all you need to do is connect. All you need to do is uh, drag and drop the elements, point it to where it needs to set the data, and you can begin to consume this in your applications and wrap all kinds of logic around it. In this case, we have a nice JSON of random user data. All right, let's have some fun with this. Let's see, let's drag in another element. In this case, I'm going to drag a code editor. Just going to drag it there. I am going to, let's see, center this. First of all, I'm going to give it the same width, 50%. Then I am going to center it the same way I centered our uploader. All right. I'm going to give it some space up top, 20 pixels. I am going to point the, well, actually, I don't even need to do that. I just need to supply this data here. So I'm going to say I want to manage the data flow. First of all, I'm going to change this from JavaScript to JSON because our data is JSON. And I'm going to provide the value. I'm going to switch the code for this. I'm going to say JSON dot stringify that we're going to map into our parameter dot app underscore data dot converted data dot JSON. And we want it to look good, so we're going to say 0, 4. All right. And this is GitHub. We could do whatever we want. We can make this, let's see, Twilight. What's the most geeky looking thing we can find? Let's stick with something fun. Whatever. Yeah, we'll live. All right, so this is our data. And, I just wanted to have some fun with it and just, show you that, once you upload your data, you can do whatever you want with it at that point. All right, this has been fun. Um, we release new features all the time, and this was just a fun one that I wanted to share. All right, thank you. Like and subscribe. Catch you in the next video.